Bonjour pe merci mingi na bandeko nyonso bazola tu lelo na kolobela grammaire. Hi everybody, today I'm gonna talk about English, but I'm gonna explain a lot of things in color. That's the way I prepare this course because some Congolese don't speak English that well, so I'm here to help. Alors, soki oza na mituna ndenge nalobaka suka nango tindela mituna na yo. Alors, lelo na video na eza vraiment na leçon na préparé eza vraiment molai yo na wana décidé nasala yango te mpona ba oyo na ndenge na préparé nalingi te o memorize yango non nalingi oyeba yango. Okay? Alors, na kolobaloba mingi te tika to na biso bulo. Alors, lelo tokolobela work in or work on. Using the work in or working on. Pour y avoir différence entre work in and work on. Use work in for the locations of most jobs. Again, use work in for the location of most jobs. Okay? Example, I work in a hospital. Okay? I work in a hospital. Use work on for farms and construction sites. Example, Ben. When you see Ben, Ningoloba Benik. Ben works on the farm. Ben works on the farm. I work on construction site. Use work in for the location of most jobs. Example, I work in a hospital. Use work on for farms and construction site. Ben works on a farm. I work on construction site. Okay, now lo bang te pour bandeko ba ebi anglais malamu. Bang pona bango eza malamu. I works in a hospital. Use work on for farms and construction site. Ben works on a farm. I work on construction site. Raison na sotang longo malembe zaki. Baninga o tuzana bango ba anglais te so na tangi mbango ede bango. The main reason I read slowly. The person who doesn't speak English well, if you want to speak to them so fast, you're killing them. You have to go slowly. Even when you read, like tango so go tanga te utanga bang oboma bang batanga bongo te. Mtu aiba English make malembe. So go kene bang. Okay? Go kene bang malembe. Mpona lelo nga na suki nanga awa mingi akolobeza te Nzambe abatela bino otikala malamu. Merci mingi ya mingi ya malamu.